Good morning and welcome to Manufacturing Minute. This morning we're here with Tim Kersey from Soprema in Wadsworth. We're very happy to have you, Tim. Thanks for being here.
Thank you for inviting me, Kathy. Looking forward to it.
So tell us about Soprema. What do you do?
Sure. Well, in the United States, we specialize in building envelope waterproofing. So what does that mean? The building envelope is a box. It's all six sides from the rooftop above my head, walls, basement, foundations, everything. In the United States, traditionally, we've been a roofing manufacturer. So all the products above my head on a flat roof is what we produce, but you never see them. So people go, really, what do you do? They're not visible to most people. Obviously, the foundation waterproofing, not visible. So we play in an interesting space, which is unique because people don't see what we do. They don't see the end product most of the time. But it keeps water off of your head and out of the building.
We're all happier when we don't think about your products.
Yes, yes, because when people have a leak in their building, that's when we get the call.
So
But
what surprises people? Oh, sorry, go ahead.
no, that's okay. I just wanted to tell you, but outside of the United States, we do many other things, and we're growing inside the U.S. with some of these other products. Our business started in Europe. We have big operations in Canada, and not only building envelope waterproofing, but we also do building insulation for roofs and walls. We do a lot of other materials for air barriers and vapor protection. The list goes on, and a lot of sustainable materials as well, made out of plants, trees. The list is long. We won't go into everything today, but we have a laundry list of materials for building and actually even for civil engineering applications across the world. So, yeah.
And I love that we have a headquarters right here in Medina County. That's wonderful.
Yes, we enjoy it too. Yeah.
So what surprises people when they come out to the plant?
Well, most of our products are asphalt based, and road paving is asphalt. If you've seen the black tar, some people call it tar, it's asphalt. When you come into our factory, it's cleaned. People are always surprised and they leave here going, wow, for an asphalt-based operation, your factory is very clean, very organized. We have safety banners hanging everywhere so people see our safety records immediately when they walk in. But we take a lot of pride on keeping our place clean and organized.
And operational, and that machine that runs down the middle of the plant just blows my mind every time I see it. It's so huge and it's always running.
Yes, it is. We're a 24/7 operation, so it is always running. And again, it takes a lot of effort, but the guy's number one priority out there is safety. And after that, obviously, it's cleanliness and organization.
Awesome. And what kind of employee are you looking for?
That's an easy one, very easy. One of my favorite football coaches, who's now moved on from my old team, I won't get into that, but he always talked about RKGs, and that was the right kind of guy in football, but here it's right kind of guys and gals, or maybe more appropriately, right kind of people. So what does that mean? That means people, number one, that want to be here. So we want them to like their job, because the old expression or adage, if you love what you're doing, you never work a day in your life. So we want them to be here. We want them to be hardworking. We want them to have a lot of integrity and respect for each other. And we want them to have some fun along the way too, because we need to do that as well.
Okay, you just described you, so that's awesome.
Okay.
But you know, one of the things that I know Supreme is known for is the collaboration in the team. So what does that look like in a production floor?
Good question. In fact, our owner calls the employees collaborators. That was one of the coolest things when I came to work at Soprema, was just that, hearing that he doesn't call his people associates, not employees. He calls them collaborators. And so I use that every day. So we like collaboration across all departments, but specifically in manufacturing, it's when we're changing shifts is a good example. If we're running 24/7, we have 4-shift operation. So when we have a shift change, those that are leaving need to be communicating well and collaborating well with the incoming shift to have continuity as we're producing. So that's just one piece. And then you have across departments like production, maintenance, shipping and receiving, and all the other parts of the company, customer service. The collaboration simply means that we're working together well, and that's a good end result for our customers.
That's awesome. I love that. So thank you so much for being with us today. We really appreciate it. Happy Manufacturing Month.
Thank
So
you very much, Kathy. And again, I appreciate the invitation to do this. Thank you.
we're excited to have you as part of the team. So we'll look forward to seeing you soon. Have a great day.